Supercars versus hypercars. What do millionaires prefer? Which one is better for millionaires? Both offer speed, luxury, and exclusivity, but they are not the same. Let's break it down. Supercars are high-performance luxury cars designed for speed and style. They have 500 to 800 horsepower, go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.5 to 3.5 seconds, and cost between $200,000 to $500,000. Some of the best supercars include Lamborghini Aventador, 770 horsepower, Ferrari 48 Pista, McLaren 710 horsepower, McLaren 720S, 710 horsepower. Supercars are fast, stylish, and can even be used daily.